It is Saturday night. It is the Red Dirt Revolution night, which is Red Dirt Country on the radio from 9 until midnight. I'm really thankful they brought it back. We've been missing our Red Dirt music. It is gorgeous outside. It's gorgeous inside. And we're going to play with some stuff in the shop until midnight when our music goes off. Right now, check it out. I don't have a mower lift, but I have a car lift. So I securely fastened it to my lift, and now I can get to my blades. And ever since we bought this thing, it has been leaking oil. And in normal fashion, we haven't gotten it in to have it looked at. So I'm going to look at it. And one, the guard is loose. It's been like this since we bought the mower. And yeah, it's time to get ready for the year. Let's take this thing apart. Hood is off. If you ever need to pull a hood, there's nothing. It just sets down in those holes. So it just lifts off. There's no bolts to undo or anything. And just the one plug for the headlights. Super simple. Isn't it, Tesla? What do you smell? Checking it out. But this is a mower we bought new. I think this is the third season. I think. It's about 3 years old. And this thing has had this oil leak from day one. And we just never got it back over to have it looked at as far as warranty. And I think the engine warranty is out. Actually, the rest of it might be too. So, but we're going to look and see. Mainly the issue is it doesn't ever leak enough to get low. It just makes it enough. It leaks enough to make a mess. But it leaks down on the muffler right in here. And then it smokes like crazy until it burns it off, and then it leaks again. We're going to make it not leak. Parts are off. It is up higher. Been doing some cleaning, but now we're getting the blades off. Simple process. We use our mowers a lot, and you can tell it's not bent as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it does not look good. You can see all the things that get ran over, get caught up in the blades. Look at this. That's not good. Look at that. And this was functioning just fine. Surprisingly. That is not supposed to be there. Ready for some grease. I'm leaving the hood off for tonight. I have everything tightened up and checked. I don't see anything else as far as a source of oil leak, but I have all the oil cleaned up. I'm going to leave the hood off so I can check and see where it's coming from now that it's cleaned up. Did a little bit of cleaning on the mower, got all the junk off the deck. We have the wheels and the front axle steering greased on it. It has been squawking since we got it. Should have greased it a long time ago. We try to do better than that, but it's a workhorse. We use the daylights out of the thing, and it just hasn't gotten there, but it has now. So it's greased, it's cleaned, it's got new blades on it. and we're pretty well set to go. We have a battery charger on it now. Battery is 2.5 years old. We've had the mower right at about 2 years. It's about 2.5 since it was made. Going into our 3rd season, Husqvarna. As for me, it's about 11. Still have an hour left of my Red Dirt music, but we've been busy enough today that we never stopped to eat. So the body's starting to tell us that we could use some supper, at least something light. And there's still some hours to do things. It's a nice night. Nighttime is good to be productive. So might go out to the house, do some stuff there. As for this video, if I actually put it together, thank you for tuning in on a simple but chill shop evening. And we will catch you next video. Have a good one.